Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, we have a very interesting video today. I just came across this new article that came out going over all of the different lawsuits that have been filed against Uber, and some of them are completely alarming. And if you drive for Uber, you should be aware of all of the lawsuits that are, being filed against your company, which a lot of them have to do with driver pay and driver treatment. So we're gonna dive into all of that, but before I do, if you're looking for a new way to make money right now, there is an incredible opportunity to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. It's something I've been doing now for over 5 years, and it's how I was able to buy this house I'm sitting in. This is just earnings from one of my several YouTube channels, several monetized channels. Over the past year, I've brought in $130,000, so that's over 10,000 bucks a month. And if you want to learn how to do this, I have a link below. When you click it, my friends, it will take you to a 30-day trial link where you can just try it out. Try to create your own channel, and this has worked for so many people in my own life who I've taught, so now I'm teaching you guys online. So join it, watch all the material, and join the group chat, and I'll help you. And you do not need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need any following or anything. So check it out, let's get started. So Uber has faced over 170 lawsuits in the United States since it formed in 2009. Many lawsuits are still ongoing, several have also been settled. Here are the following examples of settled Uber lawsuits. Number 1, safe ride fee in California. In 2016, Uber agreed to pay $10 million for false marketing. Until then, it had been charging a $1 safe ride fee, claiming it used the most advanced background checks available. Prosecutors in California proved the screening tests were inferior to the background checks taxi drivers undergo. In addition to the $10 million, Uber agreed to change its policies and marketing. Wow, how misleading was that? Number 2, safety complaints. This was a class action lawsuit. Uber paid $28 million to settle 2 class action claims in 2016 that involved similar concerns. The primary complaint was that Uber was misleading consumers about its safety and its marketing. Yeah, driving for Uber and taking Ubers is not safe at all. Think about it. You're getting in a car with a stranger and they're in very close proximity to you, and you're driving, 70 miles an hour on the freeway. That can never be safe. Failure to report data in California. Uber paid another $7 million for failing to report operational data required by the state. The data included information about disability accommodations and driving accident statistics. The next one, driver misclassification in Alaska. The state alleged that Uber was not paying unemployment insurance, workers' comp, premiums, or taxes because it misclassified drivers. Uber paid almost $80,000 in the settlement and no longer has services in Anchorage. Whoa, so Uber actually left Anchorage, which, if you know anything about Anchorage, it's a pretty popular city in Alaska. It's actually not even it actually is the most populous city in Alaska. Its population is over 290,000. It contains nearly 40% of the state's population. So Uber is actually not in the biggest city in Alaska, which is almost half of Alaska. Very interesting. I did not know that. Illegal withholding in New York. Disability regulation violations throughout the U.S. And what has Uber's response been? Basically, well, we're trying our best and we're helping make drivers do independent work, flexible jobs. There's been other rideshare lawsuits filed in the UK. A racial discrimination in the UK. A lawsuit in the UK was filed on the facial recognition system used by Uber. Oh my gosh. They're using oh yeah, when you take your selfie, I always hated that. Till this day, guys, I don't even use a phone that has the Face ID. I still have I still have a home button on my phone because I don't like the Face ID. I don't like knowing that they know my data on my face. It's weird to me. I don't like it at all. And if I do ever upgrade, I'm not going through with that, all right? I could type in my code, all right? I don't want them to see my face like that, even though they probably are already still watching me. So there's a lot of lawsuits, guys. If you're interested in getting involved in a lot of these, there are companies who, you know, law firms who you can contact if you have any complaints. We have worked with one before. I think they're just called the Rideshare Lawyer. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. But yeah, obviously you can just go on Google and find a you know, a law firm and see if they could help you. So anyways, guys, again, if you're interested in making money, there's an incredible opportunity to make money on YouTube. Like I said, by creating a faceless YouTube channel that requires no experience, I'll guide you through and step by step. You can see actually just on this one day I made over $1,000. This is just the past 365 days. Many different days making over, you know, 500 bucks in a day, 800 bucks, 1,000 bucks in a day. So click the link below, grab a 30-day free trial, try it out. If you don't like it, you can cancel. No harm, no foul. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. I'll talk soon.